Hey guys, today is day 10 of intraday backtesting and today's date is 24th August. So our stop loss got it. So let me share the analysis of this trade. So firstly we are seeing here is Bank Nifty chart of 10 minutes. So this zone, yeah, today 24, yeah. So this zone was acting as support. You can see support. So usually what happens is once the support breaks, it turns to resistance. So to resistance, I drawn a line. I drawn a rectangle box here, marking as resistance. So once if this broke, then it again gave a breakout and takes support. So in Nifty, it was trading in this range, between this range, and this range also got broken out and it went further upwards as well. So my trade was around 12:25. So let me see what was the setup. So market today opened with a gap up. So you can see it was a gap up and it was forming a channel pattern and this got broke out. So you can clearly see this was going in the straight word. I mean it was going in straight thing, like it was going in straight bullish thing upwards, purely upwards, right? So why I took a short portion here, the reason why I took short portion here is once so usually during this, I mean during this kind of days we can take trades on retracement, but what happened today was even the retracement was not stronger enough. You can see it was very short and quickly it can turn to bullish. So that was the mistake today I did. So for confirmation I took 20 EMA. Let me remove this. So this was resistance zone, and for taking confirmation for, I used 20 EMA, and this is simple trend line, right? So I took trade. I was planned to trade after this broken, that is 20 EMA broken. After 20 EMA broken, I will be taking a trade with my profit here. Number one reason was this is a pure support area, small pure support area. Another thing is was it was showing in Fib retracement, it was showing a clear support. So you can see this. You can see this clearly. So once it touches and it will retrace here, and the same this I got three confirmations for the support zones. One is the Fib retracement from here, and second is the trend line support, and three there was a small support area that I could found out in the charts. So I was sure that this trade will be going. This trade will be going. I mean, after breakout, it will be taking support here, and there will be a bullishness. But the thing is, the trade didn't went like that. Yes, it went down, but it didn't went down as I thought. It took a retrace and quickly bounced back, and then later further gone up. So that is what the thing. So I took trade around 12, 27, 28. Yeah. So around 12:28, let me see how was Nifty 50. Yeah, Nifty. This was a resistance area, but Nifty was um, showing earlier the bearishness. But anyway, Nifty was not performing as much as Bank Nifty. So you can see Nifty has moved little bit, but the Bank Nifty has stretched out very much. It was growing like so fast, like 500 600 points in first session. So I took trade exactly at 12:28. My stop loss was here, this range, because this was the nearest resistance. Once it got broke, then there is a bullishness, and support zone was this area. So this area was my support zone. This area. So let me zoom this to 1 minute. And you can clearly see I took the trade around 12:28. Yes, it retraced as we thought, but not as much as we thought. Yeah, that is what happened, and quickly it turned. I mean, quickly it reversed and continued its bullishness. So this trade had lasted out with just like 10 minutes, and it just went to the top. So that was the loss we made. I kind of feel that trading in trending market is very difficult. And another thing is, this market, I mean, this is not a right setup, to be honest. Like, there was not, if you clearly see, there was not much retracement before it also. So that was the mistake I did. I should have skipped today without just not taking trade. But yeah, that's it. Thanks.